Hey everybody, it's Jared here with Big Pine Sports. I'm here with Brandon from HCR, and we're looking at yet another KRX 1000. Now, Brandon and I, we've been in the industry for a long time, and before we even saw what the vehicle looked like, before we knew what it was going to be called, Brandon called me up and said, I got to have one. I'm going to commit to one right off the get-go. And we've been anxiously awaiting to get it here, and that day has finally come. But Brandon, tell us a little bit about what you have in store for this vehicle.
So I spent the last 4 days down in Glamis driving one of these. Absolutely love it in the sand. I'm going to take this one back. It's going to go under the knife this week. We're going to put an HCR long travel kit on it that widens it out to 72 inches. I don't know, we got some plans for it. So probably throw some 35-inch tires on it.
35s, guys, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Now, do you think tell us a little bit about your experiencing with the clutch so far. I mean, what do you think? Is it going to handle the 35s okay?
From what I've been researching and from my experience down at the dunes in it and playing with it down there, I love the clutching in it. It's very smooth. The gearing, the low range and stuff feels very capable. So I think it's going to handle 35s just great.
Perfect.
We'll find out next week when we take it down to the rally in St. George.
So the rally's coming up next week. Definitely going to be a good time. You're going to want to check that out for sure. But I was able to see the HCR long travel kit in California when they released this bad boy, and it looks sweet.
Turned out really well.
Not only have they been working on it before the vehicle was released, but they actually had a vehicle there at the show, and we were able to see it firsthand. We do have a YouTube video on that. You're going to want to check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Brandon, I appreciate your business. Look forward to working with HCR.
You too.
You can get that here at Big Pine Sports. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. And to find out more information from HCR, where can they find it?
HCRracing.com.
Have a great night, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. And for sure, we're going to see his sweet build coming up here in the next week or so. Have a good night, everybody.